Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 3rd of September 2020 question. Question number 7. The probability of 5-digit numbers that are made up of exactly 2 distinct digits is 4 options are given. This is a memory based question and the question is in the house of probability. The probability of 5-digit numbers that are made up exactly 2 distinct digits. So at first the total numbers may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit, and 5-digit numbers, nothing is telling here ki what that 5-digit made. So at first this is first made of 9, then 10, 10, 10 and 10. So the total number it gives 10. 9 into 10 to the power 4, and all are obviously all are integers. This is the total number, but it is not happened here because total number is not favorable case. Now the favorable case is what? Now the favorable part is firstly without zero, if the number any of the number is not zero, and secondly it happens that with zero. Secondly it may happens with zero. So when the without zero case is happened, then it occurs just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. Maybe it may be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. But all numbers are not same. It is exactly 2 distinct digit. So it is not the favorable case. So not favorable case is happened how much time? It is happened 2 times. It is happened 2 times. So first here the favorable case. So the favorable case we may write that 9C2 twice times happened just like that, and 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means twice time happened these things, and which is subtracted this 2 times it may be happened. The numbers are exactly same. So it is -2 here. And one case arise. It is without zero case, and with zero case it is without zero case. And with zero case what happened? With zero case we may say the 5 distinct number is this, and it is firstly it is firstly 4, then 2, 2, 2, 2, and either is 0 and either not 0 then non-zero. So the case is either 0 or non-zero. This case is happened only what times? This case is happened only 1 times, because we know 1 it is with 0, so 1 times it happens must be 0. So this types is happen here only. This could happen either or happened 4, 4, 4, 4. So this is happen only 1 times. So with this case we include 9c1 2 to the power 4 minus of 1. 4 is what? That is the first number must be 4. So this one is 4, and 1 times happen is it is with 0. So these are the favorable case. Now the calculating this we get 9 into 8 divide 2 into, it is 32 minus 2 is equal to 30, plus it is 9 into and 2 to the power 4 means 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. So this is 9 into 8 into 15 plus 9 into 15. It is our favorable case, but the question asks probability here. So the probability to arise this case, probability is equal to favorable case divide total number. We know total number. So it is 9 into 8 into 15 plus 9 into 15 here, and the total number is what? Total number is 9 into 10 to the power 4. So 9 into 10 to the power 4. Therefore 9 and 9 is cancelled off. It is 120 plus 15 divide 10 to the power 4, and it becomes 135 divide 10 to the power 4, and it is our required answer, because this form the options gives. So our first option is 135 divide 10 to the power 4. It is our right option. I think it is a very tough problem because the cases arise, here the complications begin, and in my record most of the students don't attempt this, but because of this these types, the options of the favorable cases, they makes a complications in this problem. So that's all. I solved this for you. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.